Good morning, dear students. I will give exercise from chapter 10, respiration in organisms. First one is the MCQ multiple choice question. First one, the process in which food is oxidized and energy is released is called respiration. Is called respiration. Second one, the end products of respiration are carbon dioxide, water and energy. Third one, the process in which only exchange of gases takes place is called breathing. Fourth one, in earthworm, exchange of gases takes place through moist skin. Fifth one, alveoli are structures present in bronchi. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an adult person at rest is 15 to 18. During inhalation, the ribs move upwards. Alcohol is formed during anaerobic respiration. Ninth one, in the process of respiration, oxygen is required and carbon dioxide is formed as a waste. 10th one, respiration is a process opposite to photosynthesis. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, during respiration, when energy is released, carbon dioxide and water are also produced. Carbon dioxide and water are also produced. Second one, anaerobic respiration is carried out by yeast. In insects, breathing occurs through openings called spiracles. Fish respire through structures called gills. Fifth, the process by which energy is produced for use in various functions of the body is called respiration. Now come to the question number 3, true, false. First one, in respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. True. Second one, diffusion of gases takes place through a small part of the root surface. False. Third one, in anaerobic respiration, complete breakdown of food takes place. False. Fourth one, earthworms absorb oxygen through their moist skin. True. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. True. And sixth one, the fishes use lungs for respiration. False. 7. In plants, respiration occurs only at night. False. So this is the multiple choice questions, and now come to the match the following. Fourth one, match the following. Match the following. First one, diaphragm present in chest cavity. First one, present in chest cavity. Present in chest cavity. Second one, skin earthworm. Skin earthworm. Third one, frog lungs and skin. Lungs and skin. Fourth, yeast alcohol. Yeast alcohol. Fifth one, mussels lactic acid. Mussels lactic acid. Sixth, cockroach trachea. Cockroach trachea. Leaves stomata. Leaves stomata. And now come to the give one word for the following. Fifth one, give one word. Give one word for the following. Give one word for the following. First one, the process in which breaking down of food into small molecules occurs. Respiration. Second one, an animal which breathes through gills. Fish. Third one, a large flat muscular sheet found in the chest cavity. Diaphragm. Diaphragm. Fourth one, small openings on the sides of the body of an insect. Spiracles. Spiracles. Minute pores in leaves through which gases are exchanged. Stomata. Stomata. Skeletal structures surrounding the chest cavity. Ribs. Air tubes of insects. Trachea. Give one word for the following. You can see the process in which breaking down of food into small molecules occurs. Respiration. And an animal which breathes through gills. Fish. And a large flat muscular sheet found in the chest cavity. Diaphragm. Diaphragm. And small openings on the sides of the body of an insect. Spiracles. And then minute pores in leaves through which gases are exchanged. Stomata. Skeletal structure surrounding the chest cavity. Ribs. And air tubes of insect. Trachea. Till here you have to write in GSC copy. I have given today, I have given MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, match the following and give one word. Till here you have to write in your GSC copy.